Hi guys, Mr. User Boss here, and welcome to my video of the top 5 apps and games on Android devices for March to April 2015. Number 1 is called 94%. Now this is quite a new innovation. So it's a style of game where it basically asks you a series of questions and you have to create the answers that 94% of the population have given. So actually how well you do depends on how well everyone else does. So for example, if it's asking you things you find in a pencil case, then you've got to give enough answers to correlate with 94% of the other answers that other people have given. It's a really interesting idea, works really well, and there's tons of progression to be had. You can also ask for clues, get hints, and fill in the blanks, but they cost coins which you earn through answering questions. Number 2, Gallery Doctor. Now this thing is quite an unusual thing, and surprisingly it doesn't require root. It basically browses through all your files, your photos, your videos, that kind of thing, and it identifies your supposedly bad photos due to the amount of blur, identifies photos which are almost identical, and also just photos which it thinks that you don't need to keep. I don't know how it works that out, but you basically click review and then you can actually clean a significant amount of space on your device. Some of the photos are pretty irrelevant, you don't see how they've come up, but most of the time it's actually pretty nice and it works. I mean, people with limited storage on their phones, you know, things with the Moto G, Moto E, that kind of thing, are going to really use this. Now the next one is called Minimalis, and this is probably one of the best wallpaper apps I've ever used. It has a really nice simple interface, and the wallpapers are really easy to sort of just apply. I mean, you don't have to download them, you can just save them directly from the app. So, you know, it's not going to take up any extra space, and these are really high resolution. The lowest resolution is 2K on this, which is really nice to see, and there's lots of flat designs, there's lollipop designs, material, all the kind of stuff that's in at the minute, which is nice to see. So the wallpapers are colourful, they're scrollable, and they're high resolution, so it's a really good app. Now the next one is called Zig Zag. Now this is another game by Ketchup, which is almost dominating the Android market at the minute. And all you do is literally tap the screen to change direction. And it's very simple, as you can see, you've literally learnt it already. But it is addictive. Now this is the same company that made the game Don't Touch the Spikes, and they've gone places from there. I mean, they've created sort of 20 or 30 very simple games with the same premise of just scoring as high as possible, and they're addictive. This is one of them. The only thing I would say is they really have gone over the top with the adverts. Not only is there an advert all the time on the bottom of the screen, but an actual full screen one will pop up after every few goes. Now the last game is Kiwi Wonderland, and I was seriously impressed by this one. It has the presentation of a console quality game. It really is nice. I mean, the game is very much like something like Jetpack Joyride. You'll fly as far as you can, avoiding enemies and collecting power-ups. It's just like that. But it's really nice. I don't know, for some reason, I guess it's the music or the presentation. It really just draws you in and makes you want to keep playing. There are some in-app purchases, but no adverts or any significance, so it's really cool. So that's it from me guys, thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more.